Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create a landing page using ZipWP AI tool. Here you can go and type ZipWP AI. Then you can open this platform. And after that, click here, join with Google. After that, click here, sign up with Google in one click. Then select your Google account. Scroll down, click here, continue button. Then click here, login. Okay, after that you can select one of the option. You can also skip. And here you can see these are the packages. Click here, get started free. For example, I can type here, create a high converting landing page for fast food website containing 3 to 4 sections. After that, click here, this one, build website. Okay, now let me select some of the images from here. Let me scroll down. So these are the copyright free images you can use. After that, click next button. Then select your favorite editor. So let me select this page builder. After that, scroll down. Here you can see these are the different website designs that are ready. You can use these designs. So I think first one looks very professional and elegant. On the top, website title. So these websites are fully editable. So you can easily edit and change any of the text from here. Click here, continue button. After that, scroll down. Then start building. Okay, click here, this one, start building the website. So it will take a minute. And this website will be ready on the subdomain. After that, you can go back to the ZipWP. This one. And then let's go back to the dashboard. Now here you can see this one is the domain section. You can get a new domain. After that, you can connect that domain with this website. Now website is almost ready. Now let me scroll down, and after that, click here, this button. Here you can see everything looks fine. With testimonials, hero sections. Just you can edit any of the section from here. You can edit the menu and pages from the WordPress dashboard. So in this way you can easily use this one, ZipWP, to create AI websites.